Okay, now that we managed to find the future value here, let's calculate question 22. A family of 4 spends 6,000 per month on food. If inflation occurs at a rate of 5% per year, compounded annually over the next 6 years, how much should a typical family of 4 expect to spend on food 6 years from now? So our PV is 6,000. This is what they spent in a month, and our rate here is 5%, and our CP is for compound period. Our compound period, they said it was compounded annually. So in a year we have 1 year, so annually it means it's goes to 1, monthly is goes to 12, half yearly is goes to 2, quarterly is goes to 4. This is how you do your CP. So annually is goes to CP is goes to 1, and then for the next 6 years, so time is goes to 6. So what are they looking for? Like after 6 years, how much will this typical family will be actually spending here? So the future value here is unknown, so let's calculate here. So we're gonna use the financial calculator, just like mine, even though mine is kinda old here, but you can't see the keys here. That's the problem now. Anyway, we'll do it this way then. It's gonna be the first keys is second function mode, the second keys second function interest I stroke y. You enter your CP, it's annually, so you're gonna enter 1, enter on CENT, enter on C. Okay, step number 3, it's gonna be plus or minus. We've been given the value here that we have 6,000, which is our present value. Okay, for the step number 4, with our interest here, they said it's 5%. 5% what? Interest I stroke y. And then number 5, we have time, which is 6 years, so it's gonna be 6 second function n. So you press n twice. So step number 6 is gonna be comp. You indicate what are you looking for. So in this case, we basically looking for what? For FV, so it's gonna be comp FV. So I'll do these steps with you. Second function mode, second function, okay, second function mode, second function interest. My keys are no longer visible enough. Interest CP is 1, I'll say 1, enter on C, and I'll come and say plus minus 6,000 PV. So I'm gonna say 6,000, which is a what? PV. My PV is at this key of EFF here, PV. And then I'll say 5 interest, 5 interest here, and then I'll say 6 second function NN for time. It's gonna be 6 second function, or N is here, N. Press N twice, and then at the end I must say comp, and I should indicate what am I looking for, future value. So it's gonna be comp AV, is lying here, AV. So it's gonna be 80 What's happening here? Jesus Christ, I used 600. So our option will be option number 1 here. This is what you're going to get, 8040.57. This is what you're going to get, 8040.57. I'm now making a lot of mistakes. Okay, let's move to question to the following question, 23. Mariachi's parents received a large inheritance. They wish to set up a trust for her college education. They estimate that 7 years from now they will need 700,000. So 700,000 is our future value because it's 7 years from now, so it's a future value. How much should they put in trust? So they are looking for the amount they should invest, which is a present value, is equals to question mark. The rate is equals to 12%, and then it's compounded quarterly, so CP is equals to 4, and then 7 years from now, so time is equals to 7. Now the calculation, we're gonna still do the same thing. So what are we going to do here? We'll do the same thing, second function, mode. Okay, second step is second function, interest, compounded quarterly is gonna be 4, enter on C. On the financial calculator, remember EL 73F. So this must be your calculator, sharp EL 73F 738F, and then plus minus the amount they want in future is 700,000, which is what, future value, and then the rate is 12%, interest, time is 7 years, second function, n times n, the last part is comp. They are looking for PV. So what are they going to get? Okay, I'll put the calculator here. I'll start to do my calculations. Second function, mode, second function, interest, 4, enter on C, plus minus 700,000, which is a what, a future value, and then what else do I have? 12%, which is the interest, 7 years, second function, and n, which is the time, comp. I'm looking for present value, so the present value gonna be 305,953.73. so this is the amount which this family must actually deposit, so that in future they will have 700,000. so they must actually deposit option number 4, which is close to 305,953.73. okay, let me just do another video so that the video won't take too much of space.